How to fix an existing connection was forcibly closed error on Windows. 1. Select Enable Operating Systems Restricted Environment in Java Control Panel. 2. Turn off antivirus software. 3. Adjust Windows firewall settings for Java SE binary. 4. Using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall JDK, Java Development Kit. 5. Flush the DNS cache, by IP protocol configuration/flushes command, and restart router.